Hi, my name is Gaz Jabeen, known as the Bollywood Queen of North Wales. My business is Bollywood Burnout, and I've been doing Bollywood Burnout for just over 4 years. The biggest challenge to date for me was I had no idea how much demand there was for this type of dancing, the fitness, the culture. So I was overwhelmed with the amount of people requesting for us to do the classes, the events. So what I would do different now is just get some extra help and support and do the whole thing in a better organised way. The greatest achievement to date, I feel, is to be recognised as the Corporate Social Responsibility Award winners. Bollywood Burnout achieved that through all the work in our community projects, charitable work, raising over £80,000 in fundraising in our areas and further afield as well. So to actually hold that title has been amazing, considering it started off as a tiny little seed. The best marketing advice I'd give anybody is make sure you are there in the eye of the social media, i.e. Twitter, like mine, at Bollywood Burn. Facebook was important because I was sharing images of our classes and the events and the fun and the culture. That was sharing it out regularly. That's important to be consistent with that. And just really posters and flyers and let people know what you're doing. I'd say the main characteristics for people to be successful in business is that you have to have the drive, the want to take this out there. For me, knowing that people wanted this made it feel just to take it out there with such passion, and passion has got to be seen because people want to ride with that passion and be part of it. So that's what I would say. The 3 top business tips that I'd give anybody is, number 1, social media. Make sure that you be consistent out there and sharing what you're doing, up and coming events, etc. Charitable work, any work that's out there, be part of it. You just don't know who's looking out for business. And the other one is any challenges, however daring, do it, because the achievement of getting that through is fantastic. So just go for it. So, to sum up who Bollywood Burnout is, we love to share the fun, the fitness, the culture, the learning from individuals, from abilities to disabilities, from youngsters to seniors, everybody in between, and we do with interactive dancing, word association, and really bring the whole thing to life in our community, our projects, and in general for people to have fun with the whole Bollywood experience.